Hey friends, good morning. Today is Friday. It's almost the first week of July is almost done. So today is Friday and it's 11:45 now, and kain na tayo ng breakfast. And Miguel is also eating his breakfast. Ayan. So, maaga silang nagising guys. Mga 8 yata nag-start kumain si Miguel, and then he stopped, and then naglaro sila ni Maui doon. And Maui also had his breakfast already. Yun. And it's time for me to eat breakfast. My breakfast would be, so eto yung breakfast natin for today guys. This bread from Colonnade, and this one is yung ube loaf nila, and ay parehas lang pala, ube loaf. The other day pala yung choco. Akala ko choco yung nakuha ko. Wala, ube pala. I was really thinking na choco loaf tsaka ube loaf. Last time kasi raisin tsaka butter loaf. And of course butter. Tingnan nyo naman yung butter. Lumampas na, but okay lang yun kasi I'm gonna take this side na lang muna. Because konti na lang yung naiwan sa sa ilalim ng spreadable. Hi Miguel! Hi! Hi Miguel! Hi Miguel! Oh, finish! Wow, good boy! Good boy Miguel! Uy, good boy! Finish your food na? Wow! O sige, tilo ka pa jud. So yeah, yun nga guys, ito yung breakfast ko today. Butter and bread, ubi loaf, and coffee. Yung coffee ko pala is not coffee ko anymore, or yung greater is muscovado. Yung na lang, yung blend 45, tsaka yung creamer ng Nescafe creamer. And no sugar because I don't like sugar in my coffee. So yan, hi Miguel! Go home na! Finish na ka? Go home na! Miguel! So, kain tayo guys! It's lunchtime! Lo, siyawag ng babaw. Bagong gising ka pa lang ba? So our lunch for today is rice. No guys. Ito yung lunch namin. Rocky is already eating his mais. Ito sa Tagalog ba sa linatan na bukog sa baboy?
Pinakuluan?
No, di ba good? Ito sa Tagalog sa kanang gilata? Nilaga, ay nilagang baboy, may buto ng baboy na may unod gamay. I need my Tagalog lesson, di ba ba? Bado, teach me how to doggy, o di. And ay manaka.
Ano eh?
Oh. We are currently here in my salon. We are doing cleaning kasi it's so maabog here. Hindi maabog, maalikabog. It's so dusty here, sabi niya. Wow, I sweat. Grabe yung sweat ko. So, yeah, because since I don't have client today, so I will be doing deep cleaning with the all the dust because grabe, hindi kaya kahit everyday ko siya nililinis, but still sa electric fan yan, yung mga little nooks and crannies kailangan talagang remove because I just want to. So now I will be cleaning the one. Yan na yung mirror tsaka yung isang electric fan doon. So I'm gonna see you later. towels first, but I didn't show it because I almost forgot. So, very simple lang dito. Yan lang yung meron dito, guys. Because I only, sorry for the dirty rug, but I'm going to replace that tomorrow. I forgot to bring one, so yeah, dust free. And then later I will spray some, you know, deodorizer. I don't know if you could see from here. Friends, we're home and it's time to feed the dog. The other dog is already eating. And Miguel is almost done. Yay! Hurry up, Miguel! Wait, Miguel, eat na. And this is Maui's food. Maui is going to eat rice and pork, grilled pork, because may diarrhea si Maui if he eats dog food. So dapat rice kay Maui. Miguel, finish your foodie! Miguel, finish your foodie. Sige na. I'm just going to give Maui's food. No, Miguel! Miguel is getting bad. I need to hold him. So I'm just going to give Maui's food, and yeah. And also I wanted to say goodnight na guys kasi it's already late, and yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day today as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and oh my god, keep that smile. Miguel is getting restless. So good night, friendships. Bye.